Today we are making another simple juice, and trust me, you will love this. This was very refreshing, easy to make, and above all, very delicious. If today is the first time here, welcome, and if you are old, welcome as well. We do easy cooking recipes, so if you are interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free, okay? Now I have with me here my pineapple. I have washed it very well, and I'm just going to peel off the skin, okay? Yes, I remember I brought you a juice recipe last year ago, and when my pineapple was like this, someone was like, ew, that is rotten. Anyway, it is not, okay? Yeah, this is how I like my pineapple. I always want it to ripe very well because we are not going to add any sugar to the juice, okay? So I make sure it ripes very well. So I'll remove the skin, and we are going to use the skin as well. Now this is how it looks. I'll just put it in my cooking pot, okay? And then we can continue. I'll go and cut the pineapple behind the camera. So this is how it looks. Now as you can see, this is 1:20 a.m. I am still awake because of YouTube and I just finished making this juice. So I'm just going to cook that, and we will continue the juice later, okay? I have this mango which I will be adding to the pineapple peel we are cooking on fire, and I have another mangoes here which I will be adding to the juice as well, okay? So the one that was in the freezer, I have never put fruit in my freezer before. Yes, this is actually the first time, so I'll add that. And I blended some ginger as well and added to the ingredients on fire. So the next day was 20th February, but I couldn't do it, so we did it on the 6th of March. Can you imagine? The pineapple was in the fridge till 6th of March, and now we have blended it very well. I'll go ahead and strain it perfectly, then we can continue. If you are still with me, please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers. I do appreciate you here, okay? I don't take it for granted. So that is the pineapple peel and the mango we cooked. That is what I have strained, okay? I actually strained it and placed it in the fridge from that 20th February till March 6th, okay? And that is what I've added to the juice. It changed the color, but we are good to go. And what you saw earlier was the mango reblended, okay? I will strain that and add it to the juice as well. Now I have my coconut here, okay? I will cut that into pieces, blend it, and then we will add it to the juice. So now we have all the ingredients here, okay? And make sure you strain the pineapple, the coconut very well, okay? Yes, after straining, I'll go ahead and mix it very well. We are not going to add any sugar to it because the pineapple was well ripe and the mango tastes so good. If you want to add sugar to yours, please, you can go ahead and do it, okay? Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate you here. And please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos, for more juice videos and also food recipes. Thank you so much for your time. So I come your way next time. See you in the next video. Don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye. See you.